guys, Catherine from Catherine Pooler Designs. I am in the middle of our brand new warehouse. This video though is going to show you the mess that we made before all this beauty took place. We have recently renovated a building in Raleigh, North Carolina. It has been quite a process, and if you are following us on Instagram, you have seen the whole process. If you missed it, you can head over and find the Catherine Pooler account on Instagram, and there is a highlight for all of the stories that we've done during the renovation. So we are still settling in and not quite decorated yet and just getting settled. So when we do, I will be doing an update video here on YouTube to show you what the space looks like, but this is a little peek at it. First, let's check out the mess that we made. And the wallpaper is coming down. Yes. Woo! Wallpaper is gone. Old trim is gone. It looks like a mess. Oh, Erica. There's the bathroom. It's looking not so gorgeous, but you guys hold tight. So here is my office now. The ceiling is gone and it is a humongous mess. Wow. And down the hall away from my office, more mess. Ceiling is gone in the entire place. It will be replaced. We have new ceilings that will be going in there. Crazy. Standing outside my office, and they are knocking down that wall to expand the office out of it. The wall between the two large rooms in the warehouse is now down, as well as this one that created a hallway. And this is feeling like a good bit of room. It's shaping up here. One thing that I'm really excited about, I love the brickwork in this building. We've got a little strip of brick there. And so then there will be an opening here that goes straight across the hall to another room, which will be our shipping and receiving room. And then I'm just coming around here for a look from the other side. Randall! Hi! He is what will be the wholesale room, and we have kind of a little skinny little piece that goes over there. But if you've seen our before renovation videos, there was a bathroom between those two rooms there. Now it's all open. So let's just take a quick walk down here. So we'll likely have new product in here, and then we'll come on down here into where the wholesale office will be. So there'll be an opening here where you can walk straight through, and then a wall will go in here, and the break room will be there. So I don't know if you guys remember, there was like a little skinny hall kitchen right here. That's gone. And then out to the lobby. Things are moving along. And on from the lobby, down the little hall, bathrooms on the left, my office on the right. This will be walled in here. And then we come in here, and then down the hall. We have offices on the right, coffee bar on the left, and then we come back around into a collaborative area, and again, back to the warehouse. Full circle. So work is coming along here. Thank you so much for following our journey. The next video will be the complete renovations. And if you follow us on Instagram, you can see our stories and highlights and see more details on the progress. We'll see you guys soon.